Hello everyone, thanks for watching my channel. Please subscribe. And so I bring to you guys here everything that I've been research of years that I've been doing this in the stock markets. Started with the stocks only, then jumping to options, falling in love a little bit. Very stressful but good risk rewards in this one. So let's go over from the title. We have FEDEX. FEDEX had the earnings, went up, actually hit it up to 16%. Right now it's 292 at 13.99%. Great earnings. I think they, if I'm not mistaken, if I heard right, they got the top and bottom. They just had the dividends on Monday, which is I'm gonna bring to you guys some situation that happened to me, and that's the reason I didn't stay in the stock long. So they beat top and bottom on earnings, and it was pretty good. So they say on this one right here, they say they lower the expenditures. It was $5 billion. They lowered this one. So they're going to increase the cash flow up. The company's growing. Also, the debt, it's lower. It's $37 billion. I think they lowered the debt. But the company has family. Okay, to be cash positive, they're gonna take a little bit another year or so, but they improve a lot. So that's the reason the stock hit it the 13-14%. Actually went up to 16, like I told you guys. So what I did in this one, let's go back and so after watching the stock, I put on a 15 minutes chart, and so this candle over here was the first one in the morning at 9:30. Kind of scared me. Open at 256, low to 253, and actually it continues like a back and forth into like almost 11 o'clock when it actually hit the low 253.12. And then kind of like hanging in there, kind of like maintain, build the support. And I didn't check the option strat, anything like that. So it's a big mistakes. But I sold even before I hit it. When these two candles went up, I sold a profit of maybe $30 or $50, something like that, maybe 10%. So cash out, move to another one, which I thought it would be like great for me, but actually that was a big mistake. So also what happened was I did a call bull spread, and so when you do bull call spread, a bull spread call, whatever, I think it's a call bull spread. When you do that, normally you sell one leg. You sell higher leg and you buy the lower leg, both in a call position. But when you sell call and the company has a dividend coming up, they can sign the shares, or because when you sell call, it's assuming like you're selling the shares or something like that. So meaning like you have to pay the dividends for whoever buying the shares that you're selling. So you're responsible for that. So had Robinhood sent me an email on Friday saying like be careful because you're shorting one leg of your position, and you're gonna be responsible if you got to sign earlier. You're gonna be responsible for that dividends on Monday. So I got a little bit in panic, even though because I have a play with NVIDIA, was making a profit. From profit it went to loss, and I go like, okay, so that was a 0 DTE. So I just try to see what's gonna happen with the FedEx on Monday. See if they're gonna early assign my shorter call position at 262.50 and hold the 260 put. But if something like this would have happened, it would have killed me, because I think it was all dollar. Anyway, so what I did, I bought the sell position on a call, thinking that it would have been like a day trade, but it was. And then when the expiration on the 0 DTE from NVIDIA come up, so it becomes the fourth day trade. Now I'm a flag PDT day trade. Which I really don't like to do it because I haven't done properly and haven't made money on a day trade much lately. So I hold the call position, which was very expensive. It was $660, and actually I sold it for $700. So I sold for $705. I think I sold for $45 profit. $660 the call position, and then I sold for $705 and hit low at $595. But now, as you can see it, the 260 gonna pay tomorrow if you keep this 292, 293, even if it's 287 or something like that, still between $2,700 to $3,200. So I just made a $40 profit, but I left on the table close to $3,000 because. And I'll talk to myself and say, well, when something like this happening, if I make a mistake, if sometimes it's for good. And I was telling myself every single day, like over the weekend, don't worry, Luis. You have to do like a day trade. You have to buy the position, but it's going to be for good, you did the G lenses, and then the results on there was option strider is very bullish on live and historical. The only thing actually it didn't show me like a direction. It was the PCR volume on open interest. Both was neutral. The pull, like I said, the pulse on a Weeble, it was 2.42, which is like moving this 14%. The only kind of like volume kind of show me was the weekly. When I checked first was 0.45 bullish, and for the monthly, which is July 19, was 0.61 was now bullish. I just checked over again today, just now. The average, it was still neutral, as you guys can see it, but the single expired for Friday. Well, I had a like 1.7 on the open interest. Now it's 0.77. The volume I have a like 0.45 and then went up to 0.74. So now kind of like stay neutral. Let's take a look for the monthly. The monthly was 0.90, so it's going to like almost toward the bearish side on the volume, and still neutral on the open interest. But what I have on FEDEX for the other places, which it was on the technical, was buy in a day, buy in 2 hours, buy, and buy, with all the moving average in a strong buy position. And also I had over here on the forecast. So the forecast, the average was a 308. The stock was trading like a 256. So we getting too close to that average for the analysis. So normally this 308 is gonna be like towards the end of the year. The max is 350, probably like closer to 308 towards the end of the year. So it's 20% from the price that was. So because I sold the first 260 call at profit $40 before close, I decided to go back, even if I didn't check. I said, let me go back on a 310 call just to, if I'm right, this is gonna move. If we move a 7-8%, should be good. Now I'm moving close to 15%. So hopefully my position pays better tomorrow. So this was the live. So normally when I kind of like go and do my filter, now I do the filter on block. I like the block kind of show me like where actually was the heavily positions, maybe some big guys. So sorry, I got a little bit tired. Today was a long day. Very bullish. But even if you go split, sweep, I go to neutral and live, but also you can go historical and went to like May 1st and let's see. Doing the search. So normally I go 60 days. And this article was bullish. Like I say, very bullish on the option strat. Everything buy in the trading view. Technical analysis, bye. Another website that I use, stock analysis. The forecast was a buy position, and with the average at 301, little lower from the trading view. And the Wells Fargo is the only one that kind of like hold, but Evercore, Raymond James, actually price 325, target 300, price 350, target 318. JP Morgan maintains hold 301, 296, kind of like right the price right now. UBS is strong buy, maintains 340 to 333 on the target, the PT price target. So right now the one that hit it's between JP Morgan and Raymond James with the 296 to 300. Actually the JP Morgan is right on the money. 15%. It was just what happened. And actually it happened in the 17, but didn't go, I think it go 298, something like that, 297, and it dropped. Actually it's 292 now. It's a little $4 below this. Oh, you guys are not seeing right here, guys. I was reading the whole thing but not showing to you guys. All right, so this is FEDEX. That's gone. Water under the bridge. So for tomorrow we have the PayX trading the top of the channel above the 50 and the 200 day moving average, which is the bottom of the channel. It's a 118. It's 125. Let's see what happened for option strat and a PayX. So it's slightly bearish. No blocks. This is historical. Let's go live. Live is very bullish. Somebody in the last minute actually did a sell put at 125, so that means you think this stock needs to be above 121, which is 140 contracts, 40 $3,000 premium. And also, probably the same person did a straddle for $19,000. So the price has to be between 118 to 131. So none of those play help me. The reason it's like this is a neutral, this is a bullish. That's the reason it's very bullish. But as you can see, it's nothing crazy. Let's go. Yeah, not really. I don't like to play those stocks because they don't have a volume. So when they don't have a volume, so they don't have no volatility. Oh, let's see tomorrow how it goes. So the next one, I jump on Micron, and I played this one because I thought this one would be good. Because the price, it's see, somebody posted 12 o'clock a 185 put. It wasn't me. Mine is 170 for July. It's a monthly. So this guy bought a 72 contract, this 185 put and 920 ask. I don't know if he got this one. Sometimes I'm gonna ask. Well, when they ask, probably he got it. So he thinking the price has to be below 176 in a month. So I got 170. So let's say very bearish. But this kind of more. This is the 26th after the market. So it's tomorrow after the market. So it's tomorrow. Probably make some video to see it, how it goes. The Micron. Well, Micron has the situation with NVIDIA. And NVIDIA like pushing to the bull side right now after the correction. But in the live situation, slightly bearish. So let's see the block on live. The block is bullish. This is a big bet over here for September 20 at $400,000. So if you do historical, go May 1st, yeah. Let's take a look. I keep not showing you guys. Let's do the historical on my MU Micron. It's neutral. Let's filter to 60 days. Less than 7. Less than 4. Still like neutral. No, let's filter on block. Ooh, historical filter block is bearish. It's still bearish. Somebody thinking that they're gonna have a bad results, so the price is gonna go down. So tomorrow I'm gonna close my position in NVIDIA. Get out there on the call side because this is gonna be nasty. Okay, so next week you have a holiday. So July is Friday the 5th, but the 4th is Thursday. So this one sell put, sell call, short strangle. It's a big short positions. Yeah, it's very bullish, very bearish Micron. But for some reason, unless anything change, let's take a look again on the Micron. Yep. So the multi-expired chart is showing bullish on volume and neutral on open interest. The single show 0.82 and 0.56. So meaning neutral to 56 still bullish. Option strat shows neutral to bearish to very bearish, and technical and analysis, it's buy, strong buy, but I think I got it right here. Micro. Buy, strong buy still. Let's see, 2 hours, 1 hour. Wow. Change everything over here. I don't know, how do I had sell short strong sell on everything other than day, and buy and strong buy, because I got it now 5 minutes strong buy, 15 minutes buy, 1 hour buy, 2 hours buy, 1 day buy. So I don't know why they change it drastically. I had to redo over here. Anyway, I think so. I have a AVAV. I short this, but I think I made a mistake. FEDEX, I closed my position a little bit earlier, lefting $3,000 on the table. Micron I haven't played yet. Probably my NVIDIA might turns to be this one. We'll see. Other than that, that's all I have for you guys tonight. If you watched the video from FEDEX the night before, the earnings, you probably did a good, due diligence and hit it pretty good. I didn't do it. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.